skip the $150 salon bill. Today I'm showing you how to get these expensive, office-friendly GelX set at home, even using your non-dominant hand. Let's get into it. The secret to making DIY nails look high-end actually starts before any gel touches your hand. We push back the cuticles gently and prep the natural nail plate. Quick layer of nail hardener ensures your natural nail stays strong underneath. This invisible prep is the difference between a set that lasts 4 weeks and one that pops off in 4 days. I'm using these beautiful tips I got from Amazon. I always fit them sidewall to sidewall. If you're between sizes, size up and file down. When applying your extended gel to the inside of the nail, less is more to avoid a thick, messy sidewalls. Press extensions down at a precise 45-degree angle. Let the glue flow smoothly to the free edge without any air bubbles. Cure for 15 seconds. Now for the real test. Applying the tips to my dominant hand, apply your glue. Steady your fingers on the table and press down slowly to keep everything perfectly straight. And then fast cure for 15 seconds. Once all GelX extensions have been applied, we will do a full 60-second cure. Following your dominant hand with your weak hand is usually where DIY sets go crooked. Here's my secret weapon. Place your non-dominant pinky underneath your dominant hand's finger to anchor it. Rest your forearm firmly on a steady armrest. Take your time and let the drill do the work. It's okay if your hand moves a little. Just focus on rotating your finger into the bit to keep everything controlled. Before filing, I like to gently pull the skin back from the sides. It gives you a clear path to get the perfect straight shape without the file catching on your skin. To make the extensions look like they're growing straight out your nail bed, take a tiny bit of acetone on a brush and lightly met the cuticle edge. This blends it seamlessly. Now for the fun part, we're doing one coat of a beautiful sheer nude base. I'll apply the second coat off camera so we can dive right into the design. Here's how to get a gorgeous effect without the salon price tag. Lay down a thin layer of blooming gel, and while it's wet, dot on some black polish. It starts to spread out, doing all the work for you. Once you love the pattern, hit it with a quick 15-second flash cure to freeze it in place. You can make the dots big, small, or completely random. There is honestly no wrong way to do this. Since we're going for a marble vibe, those little imperfections are exactly what make this whole look come together. Since we laid on a base color, blooming gel, and art, the surface can get a little bumpy. If your nails feel uneven, just take a buffer and gently smooth over the top. It completely flattens the surface so your final top coat sits like glass. Take this from a basic marble to the quiet luxury vibe. Grab a fine liner brush and trace some imperfect thin gold lines straight over those black dots. This step is so easy, but it instantly makes this whole set look high-end for basically nothing. Then once we finish, we're going to do a final 60-second cure. To seal everything in, we're finishing with a super glossy diamond effect top coat. Look at that reflection. It completely erases any remaining texture and leave that perfect glass-like salon finish. Look at this reveal. It's inexpensive, clean girl look that is totally work ready, all done at home. If you want more simple ways to bring luxury into your routine, subscribe to join the channel and I'll see you in the next one.